Hello, welcome back. Uh, Now, in this session, I'm going to give you some of the information or perhaps a short review about uh, three Linux distros. Uh, One I have already explained previously, and the other two are quite new. Yeah, so let's have a look at this. The first one is the Elementary OS. Yeah, it says this is actually from the website. You can see that the tagline here is the fast, open, and privacy-respecting replacement for Windows and Mac OS. Okay, and the second one that we will review is this Linux Kodachi, which means a short, yeah, or I would say is a samurai like sword, yeah, Japanese word for this short sword, yeah, like a very long blade, yeah. And if you still remember, we have also discussed about Deepin Linux, right? So let's have a quick look on this one. So this is Elementary OS. So I put this tax penguin. So let me, and as you can see from the login screen, it's quite nice. It looks very nice. I can just put the password, and let's have a look at the interface, the user interface. Yeah, so it looks like the Mac OS style of interface. I was struggling trying to find the way of changing the desktop, but anyway, we'll settle that later. Yeah, so here is the Mac OS style of desktop, and also the launcher. As you can see, we have this multitasking view, which allows you to change this to different one, and then you can also look at the browser. Yeah, let's wait for a while to leave it run. Okay, so this is the browser, and you can resize the browser. Yeah, looks like Safari browser. And we have this mail, we have calendar, and then we have this music. It looks like intuitive, simple design. And we got videos, photos. You can also see the system settings, and application center, which allows you to download different type of application. You can see what applications are being installed or installed on this distro. Yeah, so you can look at the applications based on categories. Okay, nothing much. And let me switch to our Kodachi. So this is Kodachi. Wow, I like the interface black. Yeah, good for hacking related activities or pen testing. Let me just log on. And let's see the interface. It takes a while to load. Okay, so same like in a Mac, the launcher is located at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, so you got this show desktop, application finder, where you can actually find the several applications. You can maximize it if you like. And then we have web browser, You can select whether you want to use this Sphere, Tor browser, yeah, Firefox. You can also look at the Kodachi running VPN, and then VPN tools here. We have this, yeah, this is also Tor tools, DNS tools, security application, and we got this security services, other application, yeah, and then we have system application. You can go to the task manager, for example, yeah. Here on the desktop, you can also look at the so-called system information that shows you the files, processes, user log on, yeah, the IP address, the gateway, a lot of things here. Yeah, very nice one. And we have the panic room. I'm not sure what is this for. Maybe just to hide the screen. Yeah. And then we have the security evaluation. Yeah. Also donate. Yeah. So you can look at the file system. Yeah. Nice interface as well. Yeah. Let's just maximize it. So normal file manager, and you can also see the VPN status, the CPU. I like this one, Kodachi simplifying anonymity. And let's see, on the left side we have yeah, the status is on the left. You can open up or launch the terminal emulator here, or the command line. Yeah, or the command line. So you can just let's adjust the screen. Oops. And let's see, sorry, yeah. So let's say just type uname minus -a. As you can see, this is actually based on Ubuntu, as you can see here, Linux Secure OS. And you can also launch Kodachi Light browser, and then the places, and yeah, arrange the desktop item, minimize also application. You can also look at the application that shows you the system, others, office, multimedia, and so on and so forth. And for security, we have special, categorization in the menu. So we got this bleach. I haven't really, checked all, but I'm going to, do some review and explore these things. Yeah. So this is Kodachi, pretty nice interface for ethical hacking, pen test related activities. Good for those who like security testing. Yeah, and do you still remember the Deepin OS that was actually discussed a few weeks before? So this is the one. I still love this. Deepin because of the interface. Yeah, let's just log on. I love the interface. It reminds me my Mac operating system. Yeah, simple but elegant interface, so nice. Okay. So since I have already installed this Deepin Linux and did a short review, so I will leave this to you on choosing whether this Elementary OS is nice. Give me some comments and suggestions or advice maybe about how to actually use this, or perhaps give some tips and tricks when you have already get some experience in exploring your Elementary OS and even Kodachi. Yeah, plus of course Deepin, right? So nothing much here. It's just our first look at the Elementary OS, Kodachi, as well as Deepin. Yeah, just to refresh your mind about Deepin. But for me myself, I would really prefer to use Kodachi for my pen testing, hacking related tasks or activities, and then Deepin for my normal usage. Yeah, like office, or just watching movies or something like that. Okay, or listening to music. All right. Um, that's for the session, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.